I went my own business one day in construction, commercial or a handyman business. One of those two I want to do. Planning to go to college or another trade or management.
Another trade?
Yep.
Like what?
Electrical or plumbing. Yep.
Where do you want to do? Go to NAC or Pentec?
I'm looking at Pentec right now, but I don't know yet.
All right.
So debating.
What's your favorite thing about all this?
I think my favorite thing about this is seeing how it grows.
Yeah.
Seeing the house get pulled together and stuff.
Have you, like, through your years here, have you been able to see, like, all the stages?
Yep.
Pretty much?
Just about.
Yeah.
Much.
What's your favorite stage?
I think finishing work.
Finishing,
Drywall, trim and all that.
All right. Have you done anything at home?
Yep.
What do you do at home?
Then also my house, I fix a lot of things, drywall and other things.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then I work for somebody, so it got me good too.
Helps.
Yep.